Bird vocabulary words. Birds. Birds come in many sizes, shapes, and colors, but all birds have feathers and wings. Feathers. The male peacock uses his colorful feathers to attract a mate. Bill. The long bill of the scarlet ibis helps it find food in mud. Egg. A baby bird hatches from an egg. Wings. All birds have wings, but not all birds can fly. Ostrich. The large ostrich has wings, but it cannot fly. Parrot. There are over 350 types of parrots. Eagle. Bald eagles build huge nests. Owl. The white feathers of the snowy owl help it survive in the cold climate of the Arctic. Hummingbird. The tiny hummingbird can fly forwards, backwards, and even upside down. Pelican. The large throat pouch of the pelican helps the bird catch food. Penguin. Penguin wings help the bird swim in water, but not fly in the air. Flamingo. The flamingo's pink color comes from the food it eats. Duck. The male mallard duck has shiny green feathers on its head. Dodo. You will not find any living dodo birds because they are extinct.